Freelancing Success: How to Earn $1,000 per month online as a beginner. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the exciting world of freelancing and guide beginners on their path to earning $1,000 per month online. Achieving success as a beginner in the world of freelancing is an exciting and achievable goal. While earning $1,000 per month online may seem like a daunting task at first, with the right approach, dedication, and some strategic planning, you can reach this milestone and even surpass it. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the steps you can take to embark on your freelancing journey and start earning a steady income from the comfort of your own home. Before we begin, make sure to smash that like button and hit the subscribe for more exciting content. 1. Choose your freelancing niche. One of the first and most critical steps in freelancing success is selecting the right niche or field to focus on. Your choice of niche will determine the types of projects you work on and the clients you attract. Consider your skills, interests, and passions when making this decision. Popular freelancing niches include writing, content writing, copywriting, technical writing, and blogging; graphic design, logo design, web design, and illustration; web development, building websites, web applications, and e-commerce platforms; digital marketing, social media management, SEO, and email marketing; virtual assistants, administrative tasks, email management, and scheduling; translation, translating documents or content between languages; video editing and animation, creating and editing video content; data entry and analysis, organizing and analyzing data for businesses. Once you've chosen your niche, you can begin building your skills and portfolio in that area. 2. Build your skills and portfolio. Before you can start earning money as a freelancer, you need to hone your skills and create a strong portfolio. Clients will want to see evidence of your abilities, so it's essential to showcase your best work. Here's how to do it. Skill development. Invest time in improving your skills through online courses, tutorials, and practice. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Khan Academy offer a wide range of courses. Create a portfolio. Start building a portfolio website, or use platforms like Behance, Dribbble, or GitHub to showcase your work. Include high-quality samples that demonstrate your expertise in your chosen niche. Pro bono work. If necessary, offer your services for free or at a reduced rate initially to build your portfolio. This will help you gain valuable experience and testimonials. 3. Set up your online presence. To attract clients and establish credibility, you need to have a strong online presence. Here are some key steps to consider. Create a professional website. Build a website that highlights your services, portfolio, contact information, and a brief bio. Ensure that your site is mobile-friendly and easy to navigate. LinkedIn profile. Optimize your LinkedIn profile to showcase your skills and connect with potential clients. Join relevant groups and participate in discussions to expand your network. Social media. Utilize platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram to promote your services and engage with your target audience. 4. Start networking. Networking is crucial in the freelancing world. Building relationships with other freelancers, clients, and industry professionals can lead to referrals and job opportunities. Here's how to effectively network. Freelancing platforms. Sign up for freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, and Guru. These platforms can help you find your first clients and build your reputation. Online communities. Join online forums, social media groups, and communities related to your niche. Engage in discussions, offer advice, and share your expertise. Local meetups. Attend local networking events, workshops, and conferences related to your field. These can provide opportunities to meet potential clients and collaborators. 5. Create a solid pitch. When you start reaching out to potential clients, you'll need a compelling pitch that sets you apart from the competition. Here's how to create an effective pitch. Personalization. Tailor each pitch to the specific client and project. Show that you've done your research and understand their needs. Highlight your value. Clearly explain how your skills and experience can solve the client's problem or meet their goals. Provide evidence. Reference your portfolio and past work to demonstrate your expertise. Professional communication. Ensure your communication is clear, concise, and professional. 6. Manage your finances. As a freelancer, you'll need to manage your finances wisely. Here are some financial considerations. Set your rates. Determine your hourly or project-based rates. Research industry standards and consider your experience and the complexity of the work. Invoicing. Create professional invoices for your clients. Use accounting software like QuickBooks or Wave to track your income and expenses. Taxes. Set aside a portion of your earnings for taxes. Consult with a tax professional to understand your tax obligations as a freelancer. Payment methods. Decide how you want to receive payments. PayPal, bank transfers, and platforms like TransferWise are common options. 7. Provide exceptional service. To build a strong reputation and secure repeat clients, always strive to provide exceptional service. This includes meeting deadlines consistently, communicating effectively with clients, delivering high-quality work that exceeds expectations, being responsive and open to feedback. 8. Expand your client base. Once you've established yourself and are earning $1,000 per month, focus on expanding your client base. Here are some strategies. Ask for referrals. Encourage satisfied clients to refer you to others. Diversify services. Consider offering additional services or upselling to existing clients. Content marketing. Start a blog or YouTube channel in your niche to showcase your expertise and attract organic traffic. 9. Manage your time effectively. Balancing freelancing with other aspects of your life is crucial. Here are some time management tips. Use time tracking tools to monitor how you spend your work hours. Set specific work hours and boundaries. Prioritize tasks based on importance and deadlines. 10. Stay updated and adapt. Freelancing is an ever-evolving field, so it's essential to stay updated on industry trends, technology, and best practices. Adapt to changes and continuously improve your skills. In conclusion, achieving $1,000 per month as a beginner freelancer is attainable with dedication, a well-thought-out strategy, and continuous effort. Remember that success may not happen overnight, but with persistence and a commitment to providing value to your clients, you can reach your freelancing goals and potentially exceed them. Keep learning, networking, and refining your skills, and you'll be well on your way to a successful freelancing career. If you found our videos valuable, please consider sharing, subscribing, and giving us a thumbs up to help our channel grow.